welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan, and guys, as we know, Diwali is coming. So first of all, happy Diwali to all of you, and this video is Diwali special. We are going to paint on these plain terracotta diyas today for our Diwali festival. So let's get started with this video. So guys, the first thing that I did before painting my diyas is to submerge my diyas in water, and I left these overnight. And then I kept them out for few hours for getting dried up. Traditionally this is done for a reason, because after doing this, diyas will not soak more oil when people are going to use these. But there is a science behind this. Diyas are hydrophilic. This means that after soaking and even after drying, water will remain in the pores of diyas, because diyas are made with clay. So, as we know, water has high heat of evaporation, so it does mitigate heat, and this thing prevents the cracking of diyas while we are going to use them. Okay, let us leave science and come back to art. I am using these brushes today, and I am going to paint a layer of gesso on half of the diyas, because it will pop up the light shades on diyas, and after applying gesso, the surface soaks less paint. So this is also one reason why people use gesso. So on the rest of diyas, I am not going to paint gesso, but I am going to paint 2 layers of acrylic paints directly. So don't worry if you are not having gesso, just paint 2 layers of acrylic paint only. As we know, I have applied layer of gesso on only 5 diyas, bigger one, and 4 small diyas. On 4 small diyas, I am going to paint a layer of red acrylic paint, and on the bigger one, I am going to paint yellow acrylic paint. After painting the basic paints on all the diyas, I left all these for drying up. And now I am going to add details in all the diyas. Starting with this diya, I am going to paint rose using magenta paint inside this diya. I am going to paint only one rose and the leafy pattern around this rose. On the edges, I am going to paint lines using magenta and golden paint. And guys, before moving forward, I want to request you to subscribe my channel. At least please visit my channel and watch the full content, and then decide if you liked it, then please subscribe it, because I really need support. My channel is new, but I am really working hard to create amazing stuff for you guys. So please support me. Now I am starting to paint these red diyas. On these I am going to paint the pattern using white acrylic paint only. On this first diya, I am painting swastik in the center and then pattern around it. This pattern is random pattern. You just need to keep it in symmetry. It is very easy to paint. Also on the back side of diya, we have to paint a beautiful pattern. This diya is looking really amazing. Now using same method, I am going to paint next diya having Om in the center and a beautiful pattern around it, and also on the back side. The next 2 diyas are also in this set, because I am going to paint these 4 diyas together. These diyas are having Lakshmi feet and Ganesha in the center and beautiful pattern around them. So these diyas are really looking amazing. Wow guys, I never thought that I'm going to paint this kind of things, but this is really cool. Also in between, I have painted back side of bigger one diya. I have painted few roses on that. Now we are moving forward on our next diya, which is the cutest one, because it's a watermelon diya. I have already painted red paint inside it and dark green around it. Now I am going to use parrot green color on the edge and going to paint black seeds inside it and light green line pattern outside the diya. So it's looking cool now. Now the next diya is orange diya. Yes, I am going to paint fruit orange here. So I am going to paint somewhat half cutted orange. So starting from the center core and segment walls, I am going to paint segments inside the diya and orange skin type pattern on the outer surface of the diya. After completing the orange diya, now on these two white painted diyas, I am going to paint beautiful abstract aesthetic design. So for this I am going to paint random patches using three colors, which are pink, blue and yellow. And then I will add few details on these diyas. Let us leave these diyas for drying up and paint flowers in this blue diya. We are going to paint so many white flowers, and then we are going to add details in these flowers using yellow paint, and then we are going to add few leaves and branches. And the edge of this diya is golden, which is quite beautiful. As our modern abstract diyas are now dried up, so I am going to add details in these diyas using black paint, and I am adding few leafy pattern and dots in these. Now I am coming to my second orange diya. But wait, I am not going to paint orange again on this diya. We have painted fruits, flowers and so many things, so now we are coming to animals. So I am going to paint elephant inside this diya. So I am going to paint elephant using grey paint, and then I am going to add details using different colors because this elephant is having luxury things on it. So after painting the elephant, I am going to add details around it and going to paint the edge of this diya using golden paint. Now this next diya, which I have painted using black paint already, is again going to have floral pattern. So I am going to paint few roses inside it and one rose outside it. After painting so many diyas in so different designs, I am going to keep this diya simple. So I am going to paint a cute little flower in the center and going to put some dots around it. But surprisingly, this diya is so beautiful. And meanwhile, I am also going to paint rose pattern on the back side of that black diya. And guys, now we are going to paint one more abstract diya using different colors. So I am going to use dark blue, which is kind of navy blue, and white paint for this. So guys, I am done with my diya painting. So let me show you the final result. This is the bigger one diya. This is really cute, and I have painted rose kind of floral pattern inside it and outside it. And the next one diya is this watermelon diya. Look at this. How cute diya is this. And next one is orange. You know, this kind of thing. I don't know why I like these two diyas. Then the next in series is these diyas. These are 4 diyas actually. I found this picture on the internet and I wanted to recreate this. So these diyas are really beautiful. Let me show you this one also. This is Ganesha. This is Ganesha. This is Om. And these are Lakshmi feet and swastik. So these diyas are really beautiful. Using 2 colors, really, these diyas are the most beautiful ones. And the next diya which are in the row are these ones. Look at these. In modern abstract style, these are really cute and beautiful. Amazing. And then this diya. This is also in same style but with different colors. And then this diya. This is like the bigger one. I have painted roses in it, and I have also painted big rose outside it and leaves on the rest of diya. And guys, one of my favorite ones, which is this diya. Look at the elephant. It was quite difficult to paint elephant inside it, but for this kind of beautiful diya we can do anything. So this is very beautiful diya. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section. Also guys, the next 2 diyas are these. This is the simplest diya but it's beautiful because of colors. And this one diya, this is also beautiful. What do you think guys about these diyas? Do let me know in the comment section. I really liked painting these diyas and I also liked the results. What do you think about these? You can tell me in comment section. Your all kind of reviews are welcomed. Don't forget to share this video with all the art lovers you know. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. And guys, to meet me in my next video, you have to subscribe this channel. So subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for new videos first. And I'll meet you there. Till then, bye bye, take care. You are amazing. A very happy Diwali to all of you. And guys, you are definitely going to rock this Diwali. You are amazing.